Welcome back, everyone. Once again, we do have that weather impact alert as we head into later Tuesday. Right now, we're kind of looking at the time period between 5 and 11, I would say. And that may change a little bit as we make our way into tomorrow, but no doubt this is a later day event with that possibility of seeing some scattered strong to severe thunderstorms that may carry some large hail. Maybe even a tornado as well. So make sure you heed the warnings if they do happen to come up for your hometown. Right now, everything's looking nice and quiet out there. Temperatures as cool as 49 to 48 degrees in Monticello and Stockton to about 61 degrees, popular number from Burlington and Muscatine, even around Galesburg at around 61 degrees. Skies are nice and quiet, but once again, gotta stress that this boundary that we see just to our north, that will be the focal point for additional strong to severe thunderstorms to be popping up. And we're expecting this boundary by the time we get to tomorrow evening to be right near the Quad Cities and points south. Okay, so anywhere around that boundary, especially to the south, that's where we're talking about a nice blow up of severe weather to be taking place across the area. So that boundary will be the key with this position. And of course, the evolution, timing of those storms, that's going to play a big role as well. Severe storm coverage still expected, especially areas around the Quad Cities and points south and east. That's a level 3 out of 5 risk. Lighter risk farther off to our north and west. But there's going to be some turning of that air along that boundary. So we're concerned of potential of maybe a tornado or two somewhere within this area heading into tomorrow evening. Okay, it's not going to be widespread, but the conditions are there that we could get a strong, maybe long tracking tornado. There is that possibility. And then we have to deal with the possibility of seeing some large hail because the updrafts are going to be pretty strong in making these storms. So it allows the hailstone to get larger and larger and larger within the cloud and eventually falls. So that's why we're concerned about that as well. Maybe 2 inches diameter. That's pretty much close to golf ball size hail. Overnight lows will be varying from 38 degrees in Dubuque to maybe around as warm as 57 in Macomb. And what a range in high temperatures tomorrow with lower 60s around Galena, lower 70s in the Quad Cities, possibly around 80 in areas like around Burlington, as well as over in Macomb. Around the daytime hours, things are looking pretty quiet. We see that increase in clouds, and then boom, we start seeing some of those storms begin to pop up, especially south and east of the Quad Cities. Maybe a nice heavy thunderstorm to our north. That could have some hail with it. Concerned about the storms to our south and east. After 11 o'clock, I think it may be a little heavy rain event at times, and then we'll quiet those skies off with just a few showers to go heading into Wednesday morning. And then after that, wow, things really cool off in a big way. We'll show you that with our 8 and 14-day tracker right after this.
If your internet bill jump scares you, that's BS. Bill shock. This isn't that. Get Mediacom fiber-powered 300 meg internet, $30 a month, locked in for 2 years. No big surprises, no bait and switch. All the good stuff like Euro Wi-Fi and equipment comes included. So lock in. Mediacom fiber-powered 300 meg internet, $30 a month for 2 years. No BS. Call 844-EXTREME2 today.
All right, let's check out that 8-day tracker first. Yeah, and after tomorrow, what a cool down we see in numbers. 40s, some lower 50s, not too bad, but then we drop those numbers heading into the weekend. We could even drop maybe a little rain-snow mix come early Sunday morning. That's going to lead us some cool 30s for highs by next Monday and Tuesday. We'll climb those temperatures up after that, maybe flirting near 60 as we head toward the following weekend. 3-degree guarantee, sponsored by good friends at Erk Chevrolet in Milan. We are forecasting 73. Peter did a nice job. Actually reached 75 degrees for the high.
Yeah, we knew it was going to be a warm one.
No doubt.
And we took it, James. Thank you.